StarTech.com offers an extensive range of power cords of various lengths, connector ends, jacket types, and wire gauges. For maximum safety and performance, all of our power cords use UL-listed components, are CSA certified, or CE compliant. We use 100% copper wiring for safety, high conductivity, and proper heat dissipation. We manufacture a variety of cords for your specific application, including pass-through cords, extension cords, Y-splitter cords to connect two devices into a single outlet, regional power cords, left or right angled, heavy-duty, medical grade, and even cords with rotating heads. StarTech.com offers a safe, reliable, and high-performing solution for your workstations, with many styles offering various wire gauges for levels of cord flexibility, jacket types designed for office equipment or PDUs, or even models designed with fully molded strain relief for added durability. Designed and built for IT professionals, StarTech.com has a lifetime warranty and free lifetime technical support on all of our power cords.